It is morning in America here. Hartford. What you're looking at is the 91 freeway, is it? And the convention center there on your right. And there's not many cars at 6 a.m. in the morning taking this interstate, but there will be, and there has been, as time and as testament here, because once again I have come across weather here in this country that is just unreal. You know, it's just unbelievable. The weather here. What can I say? You know, 3 nor'easters in 3 weeks in Boston. You know, the horrifying heat of Phoenix, which just gets hotter and hotter and hotter, where the Northeast tends to get just, more drastic and more extreme than ever. Glaciers are melting. Cold is getting colder, like in Boston we saw. And I'm in the thick of it. I'm in the middle of it. And it's just, yesterday, here in Hartford, they were going to hit a record temp, or they were close to it or something like that. I haven't heard the news yet this morning, but they were going to hit a temperature that they have not seen in like 6 years here. All right. So, just once again, as a greeting here, for all those lovely fossil fuels that people are burning and continue to burn in this car culture called America, global warming has not escaped Hartford either. Hartford, it's like, hey, it's just as bad here as in the rest of the country. The weather is not amenable. The weather is not predictable. The weather is just an extreme exaggeration of what it was and what I remember, like in Boston and here in Connecticut and 40 years ago in the Northeast when I was growing up. Just awful and just extreme and just nothing like days gone by. And I'm sure we can blame it all on global warming, as people need to get in their cars and, to their mobile places with their mobile phones. And hey. All right. Morning in America here. And once again, William finds himself in another climate that is just unusual. Well, yeah, for a few years maybe, until it becomes the norm. Okay, here in the new America.